So my device was kind of old and starting to lag, and I wanted to downgrade my iOS version, but I didn't want to use a computer or anything complicated, and I've actually figured out how to do it now, guys, using this Uncover Gold's downgrade tool. So as you can see, they got profile downloads for every single version of iOS. I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it in this video. It is super crazy, and it is completely free. So as you can see, guys, I got the Uncover Gold right here, and I want to show you guys what version of iOS I'm currently updated to. So as you can see, I'm on iOS 14.8, and we're going to downgrade because I've already installed a profile to show you, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So you can see that I'm on iOS 14.8, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what you need to do to get this onto your device. So it's really cool, guys. Let me just open up the Uncover Gold right here, and as you can see, it says ready to downgrade, and this is a tool that they've provided, the Uncover Downgrade tool. It is super crazy, and I literally just press on downgrade, and I can actually downgrade my device. So before you do this, guys, there are some options you want to change in your iPhone settings to get ready for this. So the first thing you want to do, guys, is go ahead and go down here to battery and make sure low power mode is off. You'll know it's on because your battery percentage will be yellow. So make sure low power mode is turned off. Once you've done that, you're good to go. You just want to go ahead and go up here to General and find this option. So the option we're looking for is called Background App Refresh. This allows apps to refresh content in the background. So make sure you got Background App Refresh turned on. You can actually have it done through either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. Just make sure it's on and you're good to go. So once you've done that, guys, you're pretty much all set and you are ready to downgrade your device and you will have no issues. Now, the one thing I recommend doing, though, is going to the search bar and typing in Safari just to check for an option. So the option I'm talking about is called Block All Cookies, and Block All Cookies needs to be turned off. Now, it shouldn't be on anyways, but if it is turned on, make sure you go ahead and turn it off. It basically messes things up, makes sites appear weird and stuff, so just make sure it's off. Once you've done that, you're good. So all you have to do now is go ahead and follow along. I will be downgrading my device, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it for yourself. So let me just go ahead and do it right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and get out of the settings menu right here. So I'm going to open it up and downgrade my device. So let me just open it up right here. You know I'm on 14.8 and now I'm going to downgrade. So literally, guys, you just press downgrade. You can see they got all these crazy settings in here. It's super awesome. I can't believe it actually works. You got load tweaks, you got save data, really cool settings, guys. Super crazy. And I mean, it's just completely customizable, really awesome. So you can see right here, make sure that save data is on, obviously. So anyways, guys, what you want to do is go ahead and press downgrade, and once you do this, it will start the downgrading process. So as you can see right here, it is now downgrading. So let's just give it a minute here for this to go ahead and finish up. As you can see, all right, I'm just going to let it load. Really crazy, guys. This is super awesome. So let's just give it a minute. It's usually pretty quick as well, which is awesome. So let's just let it finish. Yeah, you can see the lines of code moving now. Here we go, guys. Really, really cool. So let's just give it a second to go ahead and finish, and we should be able to downgrade our device. So let's just let it finish here. As you can see, all right, it's almost there. Super, super crazy, guys. This is awesome stuff. So let's give it a minute. All right, so the bar is at the end now. So basically what's going to happen is it's going to say downgrade completed. No error occurred. Your device will now reboot. So I'm going to press OK, guys, and now my device will reboot into iOS 14.3. That's the version I chose to downgrade. So as you can see, guys, we got these lines of code going at it. So just give it a minute for this to go ahead and finish, and then you should get an update style progress bar. So let's just give it a second here. As you can see, all right, it's pretty much done. So now we should get that iPhone update style bar I was telling you guys about. There it goes. And once this is over, guys, our device should be downgraded. So let's just give it a minute here for this to go ahead and finish. As you can see, all right, it's almost done. Let's just let it load. All right, so it's at the ends now. So it should reboot, and our device should be downgraded. So let's check it out. I'm just going to go ahead and go home, and let's power on the phone, and let's see, guys. All right, and it says downgrade successful. So this is super neat, guys. I can't believe it actually works. So yeah, I'm going to go to settings and prove to you that I am downgraded. So let me just do that right here. As you can see, I'm going to go to software update, and let's just see. And oh, it says there's an update. Okay, yeah, I'm on 14.3 now, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get this onto your device. It's very easy and super cool. So I'm going to delete it. I want to show you guys how to download this from the very beginning. So let me just go ahead and remove it. So I'm just going to press delete. So in order to download this onto your device, guys, you just want to go ahead and go to this amazing website. So the website where you can download this is super cool. It's called uncover.co. Put a 0 instead of the O. This is the official page, and once you're on the site, you're going to know this is the jailbreak. So you want to go ahead and press where it says downgrade, and that will show you the downgrade tool and the config profile downloads for every single version of iOS. So yeah, you can read all about it. It's super crazy. And as you can see, so just press downgrade, guys, and now we've got everything. You want to click view signed SH blobs, and it will show you the download profiles for all the versions of iOS, guys. Those are links, those blue things. So I'm going to press that, and it says, do you want to allow this? So just press allow on any one you want, and then just press close. And now you just have to go ahead and reopen settings to install the profile to your device. Find profile, download a message at the top, press on that, then just go ahead and press install. And then you just want to go ahead and press next, install again, and then there's going to be a final prompt in red. Press that, press done, go home, and you've got it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely go ahead and give us a try. It's super amazing, and I can't believe it actually works, guys, but it does. Really, really cool. It's just amazing stuff, and it's definitely worth trying out for yourself. So definitely go ahead and do it for yourself. You're going to love it. It's super crazy. I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.